Thanks for tuning into your review channel. We're doing a new series called Your Costco Today. So what we're going to be doing is going around Costco and we're going to be looking and sampling different products, going through prices and also looking at the reviews of the item. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and you'll receive all the new updates and everything that we're doing. Don't forget, Your Costco Today. Let's get into the video. Okay, so if you're going to Costco and you go down all the aisles, right? And sometimes you just don't see everything. Well, this aisle is full of light bulbs. Do yourself a favor, look around, you'll see these light bulbs. You have the best deal on light bulbs. Instead of going to Home Depot or the other places, you'll pay a fortune for the LED dimmable light bulbs. Here, you don't. They have an automatic rebate at the register, and you get all the light bulbs that you need. Everything that you need. So this specific video is all about the inexpensive 6-pack Daylight 5000 Kelvin 60-watt light bulb. $1.99 after instant rebate. Okay? You can't beat that, $1.99. This is a 6-pack of light bulbs. It's right in your Costco aisle. They all have them. Pretty much, I think every Costco pretty much has them. Leave any comments or questions below if you don't, or let me know if you do or do not have them, or maybe have something different. Let me know. And also like, share, and subscribe to this video if you're liking the content so far. I do appreciate that. So these light bulbs here, they're always available. Like I said, they're $1.99 for 6 light bulbs. They're 5000 Kelvin, so they are the daylight. They're basically like daylight wattage. They can be a little bit harsh, I think. Some people like a little bit less, like a 2700 Kelvin bulb. But this one here is 5000. And so basically, it's a great deal. So check it out at Costco. So if you go to Costco and you see the light bulbs, stop, look at the light bulbs, check it out, see what they have. They have these light bulbs here. They have 100-watt light bulbs. They have spotlights, all types of bulbs. So I hope you found this video informative. I went to Costco. I'm doing a new tutorial all the time about Your Costco Today. And this is the newest item I've seen. And this is a great product. So check it out when you go to Costco. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.